Welcome. This is Joshua Benoist in Autodesk Product Support. We're talking about video 8 of our device block creation case. So let's look at the problem statement. There it is. Pause the video if you need to, and let's move on to the case. So where we left off, we were in our content drawing that we were building our block in, our symbol, and we were just getting ready to drag it up on the tool palette. I went ahead and did so, and I've come to realize one thing that we missed. Our symbol block needs to be annotative. So we need to select on this, right click, say Edit Device Style, and in the Device Style properties, go to the View tab and just check this Use Annotation Scale. Say OK, and then we'll save our drawing one last time. Now, then, of course, if you hadn't, you would have dragged this up onto our tool palette, but I've already done that. So anyway, I'm going to close this drawing, and I'm going to go ahead in here. I'm going to start a new drawing. And I'm going to go ahead and insert my device, and just click on it, and drop it in here, zoom in on it. So let's measure how big this thing is. Let's go to the Analyze tab, measure the distance from here down to here. It's about 7 inches tall. So if I had, when we were in the content drawing, I drew that box 1 unit tall. We didn't draw the symbol exactly 1 unit tall. So that's why this is measuring 7 inches instead of 8 inches. 8 inches tall, translated into paper space, would come out to be about 1/8 of an inch, 3/32 inch tall. So anyway, this is the right size that we would expect it to be in our model space. So back to the original customer's question. Now we've described the annotative scale and how it works, how to create device blocks from scratch. Let's go back into our other drawing. Not that one. Alright. Here it is, My Company Annotative Symbol. Open that up. So the way our customer in the original support case, he started with the template. So he started with one of our out-of-the-box receptacles and inserted it into a regular drawing. Well, we're in our content drawing. You need to insert it into a content drawing that is already set to a 1 foot equal 1 foot scale with a 1 unit tall, 1 inch set in the drawing settings. So let's go ahead and insert this in here. You can see it's a little bit bigger than, so our out-of-the-box symbol, that's a 1 unit tall out-of-the-box symbol. It's a little bit bigger than our box. That's okay. So I'm just going to slide it over. And what we'll do is we'll explode this. So there's our out-of-the-box symbol. And we'll explode it one more time. So now we've just got line work. So let's say that we want a third line on here. So we're just going to modify this, make it look however we want. How are we going to do this? Alright, I know how I'm going to do this. So we're going to go to the home. We're going to draw a line between these two. Take that, say copy from here to the midpoint. There. So there's our third line. So we just wanted to modify this real quickly and then convert it back into